So today Anthropic announced their new Sonnet 3.5, and this is Claude 3.5, and then their Claude 3.5 Haiku. So they have a computer use announcement today that is really interesting. So I have this video pulled up, and I just wanted to go ahead and show you exactly what it does, and then we'll start talking about it.
I'm Alex. I lead developer relations at Anthropic, and today I'm going to be showing you a coding task with computer use. So we're going to be showing Claude doing a website coding task by actually controlling my laptop. But before we start coding, we need an actual website for Claude to make changes to. So let's ask Claude to navigate to Claude.ai within my Chrome browser and ask Claude within Claude.ai to create a fun 90s themed personal homepage for itself. Claude opens Chrome, searches for Claude.ai, and then types in a prompt asking the other Claude to create a personal homepage for itself. Claude.ai returns some code, and that gets nicely rendered in an artifact on the right-hand side. That looks great, but I want to make a few changes to the website locally on my own computer. Let's ask Claude to download the file and then open it up in VS Code. Claude clicks the Save to File button, opens up VS Code, and then finds the file within my Downloads folder and opens it up. Perfect. Now that the file is up and running, let's ask Claude to start up a server so that we can actually view the file within our browser. Claude opens up the VS Code terminal and tries to start a server. But it hits an error. We don't actually have Python installed on our machine. But that's all right, because Claude realizes this by looking at the terminal output and then tries again with Python 3, which we do have installed on our machine. That works.
Really
so
cool.
Now the server's up and running. Now that we have the local server started, we can go manually take a look at the website within the browser. And it looks pretty good, but I noticed that there's actually an error in the terminal output.
So obviously we are seeing the rise of agents, right? So, everybody's been talking about agents becoming really big. So this is really super cool.
And we also have this missing file icon at the top here. Let's ask Claude to identify this error and then fix it within the file. Claude visually reads the terminal output and then opens up the Find and Replace tool in VS Code to find the line that's throwing the actual error. In this case, we just ask Claude to get rid of the error entirely, so it will just delete the whole line. Then Claude will save the file and automatically rerun the website. So now that the error is gone, let's go take a final look at our website, and we can see that the file icon has disappeared and the error is gone as well. Perfect. So that's coding with computer use and Claude. This took a few prompts now, but we can imagine in the future that Claude will be able to do.
So you can imagine what's going to be possible later on with that. Super cool. So they just announced upgrade to their Claude 3.5 Sonnet and their new model Claude 3.5 Haiku, and delivers across the board improvements over its predecessors. As we see down here on the chart, you can see that it outbeat all the other models here. So this is the new version that just came out today. So let's take a look at this video and see what is going on with this.
So I'm Sam, and
use
I'm
case.
one of the researchers here at Anthropic. Computer use is something that we felt was going to be important for a while now. And so today we're going to be talking about a very early version we have of computer use and walking through a representative example of the things we think it's going to be useful for. We're going to be going through a quick demo today. In this fictional demo, a customer, in this case the Ant Equipment Company, has come to us and asked us to fill out a vendor request form. The data I need to fill out this form is scattered in various places on my computer. What we're going to do is ask Claude to look at the spreadsheet, check if Ant Equipment is in there, and if not, move over to the CRM and try and find some more information there. Once it has this data, Claude's going to then fill out the form for us and hopefully transfer the information across to the
tedious
vendor form.
stuff. Whoops.
First thing that's
Talk
going to
about
happen is
tedious
Claude's going to
stuff.
start taking screenshots of my screen
That's gonna
and
be
quickly
nice.
realizes that the Ant Equipment Company
My
isn't
opinion.
actually in the spreadsheet.
I hate doing this
So
kind
the
of
first
stuff.
thing it does is it swaps over to a CRM and searches for the company we're interested in. Luckily, we get a search match, and Claude then starts scrolling through the page, looking for all the information it needs to fill out this form.
I could imagine you would be able to do like your taxes with QuickBooks or all these different programs and stuff. So this is
Claude then
crazy.
autonomously starts transferring the information across without me having to do anything. And goes through the steps and fills out all the information needed. And then submits the form. This example is representative of a lot of drudge work that people have to do. This is available in the API. We're excited for people to try it. And
yeah, so that's that. So the upgraded 3.5 Sonnet is now available for all users starting today, and then developers get to use the computer use on beta, Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google's Cloud Vertex AI. And the new Claude 3.5 Haiku will be released later this month. So that's that. It's interesting. Excited to see where this goes. Everything's advancing so quickly. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Have a great night. Cheers.